Hey warriors, welcome back to the second episode of our series Linux Basics for Hacker. In first episode, we saw that why learning hacking is essential in today's era, mainly after COVID-19 pandemic. And in today's video, we are going to see why hacker or pen tester prefer Linux over other operating system like Windows or Mac OS. So let us begin this video. This video is going to be a quick video and informative video. I'll request you to watch it till the end. So let us start it quickly. The first reason is that Linux is open source. Now, what does that mean for you as a hacker or pen tester? See, when some technology is open source, it means that their source code is available online or publicly for free. You can inspect the code, you can modify the code and use it according to you. If you compare it with the other operating system, popular one like Mac OS or Windows, they are closed source system. So this is the first reason. If you go to the second one, it is a security. Now, this is one of the most important reason. See, any hacker or pen tester, when they are trying to perform some sort of activities or they are trying to get into some particular system, the most important thing is to hide yourself, right? To stay anonymous. See, Linux support all these kind of activities. You can stay completely anonymous using Linux. Even in some popular Linux distribution like Kali Linux, there are pre-installed tools through which you can hide yourself. In comparison, if you talk about some popular operating system like Mac OS or Windows, you can change your IP address, but you cannot stay completely anonymous using it, right? So let us move to the third reason, which is versatility and control, which is personally my favorite one. See, Linux can operate from high-end server to the low embedded system. Okay, so that is one of the reason. And if you look to the another, that is control, which is really amazing. I'll try to explain it using example. First of all, let me tell you that Linux provide control of the system like no any other operating system does right now. I'll try to make you understand it using an example. Suppose there are two houses. Okay, there is a house A and there is a house B. The owner of the both the houses want to sell the property, or you can say want to sell the house, and you go to the house A and the owner shows the house. Okay, this is the house, this is the first floor, this is the second floor, this is the room, this is the roof. So if you buy this house, you have access to all things, except there are few rooms where you can't enter. There is a roof where you can't go, but you have access to whole house. Okay, this is house A. Now you says, okay, let me see the another house, and you move to house B. Now the owner of the house tells that if you purchase this house, everything is yours. You can go in any room, you can destroy the house, whatever you want to do, you can do. Now, which house will you prefer? Obviously, you will prefer house B. In this case, Linux is house B. Linux gives extreme control over the system. Whereas if you talk about Windows or Mac OS, they restricts or they limits the control over the system. So that is also one of the most important reason, because for the hacking tools, you need control of the system, right? So let us move to the fourth reason. It is community and support. See, hacking community, or you can say pen testing community, these are like-minded individuals. They help each other. You can simply go on Google and you can search for any, for example, if you are looking for Windows vulnerability, search for the recent one, and you look at a lot of blogs which are usually written by hackers who perform some sort of activities. They write their learning over there. You can learn from them. You can read the blog and you can learn from them by their experience. It helps them too. They make some sort of money. But yeah, this is very much beneficial for you, because I myself read a lot of blogs written by people, and it is really helpful. I'll suggest you that you must read this kind of blog. So these all are latest. So this will help you, and you are not alone in your journey. If you are connected to the community, and when there is a community, we help each other. By this way, a community grows. Let's move to the fifth reason and last reason. Linux comes with pre-installed tools, and you can say the hacking tools made for Linux are in hundreds and I guess in thousands. Okay, so why is that so? Again, we'll come to the control. Linux provide extreme control over the system. That is the main reason why hacking tools, or you can say many or hundreds of hacking tools are made exclusively for Linux. If you talk about a Linux distribution like Parrot OS or Kali Linux, they are pre-installed with hundreds of tools. Whereas if you compare them with Windows and Mac OS, even we can't compare them. They are far away from this kind of stuff. So that's it, guys. And in next video, we are going to see how to install Kali Linux in VirtualBox. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to our channel. If you have any query, comment down in the comment box. Please give me a feedback regarding video. And I'll see you in next video, guys. Stay safe, stay secure. Happy hacking. Bye bye.